Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I want to show you how to use one-handed keyboard on iPhone. To use one-handed keyboard on your iPhone, the first thing I want you to do, I want you to open up your settings on your iPhone. Once you open up your settings, once you are here in the settings, I want you to scroll down a little bit and tap on General. Tap on General. So once you tap on General, just have to scroll down and tap on keyboard. So once you tap on keyboard, it will bring up this page for you. On this page, if you look at the top, you are going to see where it says one-handed keyboard. I want you to tap on that. So once you tap on the one-handed keyboard, you can see the one-handed keyboard is turned off on this device. So to turn it on, just want to select the left side or the right side. Just select anyone you want and the one-handed keyboard will be enabled successfully. So guys, this is how you can actually set up and use your one-handed keyboard on iPhone. I hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching.